As an autistic person with ADHD, let's talk about beauty, beauty standards, looks, self-confidence, and all of these things today. Ever since I've been able to consciously think for myself and I understood the importance of looking good, I've just loved myself and I loved experimenting with new clothing, looks. I've also been in my emo phase and all these things, and I used to post a lot of pictures on Facebook. I was an influencer before influencing was even a term. I was a content creator even before that was a thing, and I think I really loved looking at myself in the camera, and I still do. And I think that threatened a lot of people because maybe according to India standards or in general, I may not fit the conventionally pretty look for a lot of people. That's not me saying, that's a lot of people. So I've heard a lot of comments like, oh, you have great facial features, even if you're dark, in spite of you being dark. You're a little overweight, but you look really good if you lose some weight. All these things I've heard all my life, but honestly, that never affected me because it's like, I just could never internalize it. Maybe for a while, but when I was depressed or anything, obviously when you're on your lowest low, for a while, but even when I'm depressed, I look back on my content and everything, I was just looking great. Like, I'm like, this girl looks really great even for being depressed. So I think I just never had any problems with my looks. I just love the way I look, and I think looking good is my special interest. So it just is something that makes me happy. But yeah, that does threaten a lot of people, and I have very unconventional standards of looking good as well. Like, I wear maximalist jewelry, I put like heavy blush and all these things. So I've heard comments from a lot of people like, oh, tera blush bahut zyada ho gaya hai. But I just like it that way. I like it being zyada. Maine janbujh ke dala hai. Sometimes they would be like, oh, I like your blush. I could never wear that. You know, backhanded compliments and stuff. I didn't understand it back then, but as I spoke to a lot of other friends, they would be like, hey, that doesn't sound right. So yeah, because of my lack of social cues, a lot of these things go unnoticed at first until I process it later, right? You know, one day I was just being like, oh, my hair. I was just gonna talk about how frizzy it was, but that person was like, oh yeah, they've become so thin. What? And I was just one day saying that, yeah, I never compromise on my food. Yes, I went out, but I ate and I came to the gym. And then this person's like, yeah, I can see that. Like, what? I also feel like people are just not very used to taking a genuine compliment, because when I compliment somebody, I genuinely observe something and I'm saying it. I don't want a compliment back. In fact, compliments don't affect me. If you call me pretty, beautiful, hot, it doesn't affect me. So I don't take compliments in that same way. But yes, if you comment something about my content, my thoughts or something, that's a compliment for me. But other things, no, because I do not need any external validation for my looks. I just always thought I was pretty, regardless of what other people were telling me. So yeah, like when I compliment somebody, they feel like they have to compliment me back on my looks. Wherein I'm like, what? And one day this person commented on like, I smell good or something. And I was like, yeah, I just love drowning myself in perfume. I was just being funny. And then that person, yeah, me too. I also like, what? So if I give you a compliment, you won't really wholeheartedly accept it. You would want to give me a compliment back. But if I accept the compliment, if I add something about myself, then you're like, oh no, then this person will think too highly of themselves and they'll try to kind of balance it or bring it down. I don't even understand. Like when I say something, I'm purely being observational, to be very honest. Like that looks good. But other people, they compliment even with another thing in their mind, a motive. I don't really understand. So yeah, external validation does not work for me. I really think I look pretty even this way. And a lot of people tell me that I'm brave for posting videos like this, wherein I don't think I'm being brave. I just like looking at my face. I really love looking at myself, and I've always loved that. And I know if I say it out loud, people will be like, oh, you're so self-obsessed, but for what? You're not even pretty or something. But the thing is, it's not going to affect me. I've heard this all my life, and it just, I don't know. This is the only thing that's programmed in my brain, you know, that none of these standards apply to me. I'm just me. I cannot compete with anybody else because I am different. So this is the only thing that's programmed in my brain. The other things I really think about, but this is just something that's just naturally me.